Alright guys, just like the title said, we'll be trying out this battery charging case for your S24 Ultra. Alright, it's made by a third-party company. I didn't bother mentioning the name, but I will drop the link in the description if you guys choose to purchase it, okay? Really quick, let's do the unboxing. One more time. Type-C cable, comes with a glass screen protector, and your do's and don'ts as far as putting on the case and peeling off the case. All right, as you can see, there's a Type-C piece there. It's some soft material. It's kind of like felt, I guess. I think I'm saying that right. As you can see on the back, and we'll touch on it later, that it supports MagSafe charging, pass-through charging. All right. There are your instructions, and I believe 2 or 3 different languages there. You can pause that and read it for yourself. All right, let's clear some of this stuff out real quick and pop on the case. Should be pretty straightforward if you've used a charging case before. I know this is really old school since the phone batteries that came a long way, and they only make these for select phones. On Android. I think they make it for every iPhone. But as you can see how easy it went on there, you just peel at the top and slide your phone in and release it over the top. All right, let's power it up, see if we got any juice. As you can see, I had 3 lights and the blinking indicating that is charging your device. Yeah, it's really that simple. All right, you can see down there at the bottom. Now, it's not the fastest. It's not quick charge or fast charge or nothing like that, but most cases you'll be using this if you can't get to a charger. So it's better than having a dead phone. As you can see, the volume rocker work, the power button work as well. Open back for your phone lenses and flashes, camera lenses and flashes. All right, pretty cool. Paid $45 for this before taxes. I think it's worth the money. You don't want to get caught with a dead phone or not being able to charge it. All right, so here's my my portable charger here. As you can see, it attaches to it, but it's not charging through the portable charger. So in my case, I'll be using it for basically extra battery life, and I'm gonna show you how in a second here. Because it's not charging the case like I thought it would. But as you can see, it's a pretty strong magnet and attaches to it pretty strong. That's just me testing it out, trying to see if it'll wirelessly charge, and it didn't. All right here, I'm gonna show you how strong it is though. Let me get that on tight. See, I was able to pick up the phone by the portable charger. S Pen pops out smooth. As you can see, all your openings on the bottom there. Your charging port, your speaker on top. Real sleek, nice and smooth. And we're not getting this because it's cute. We're getting this so we don't end up with a dead phone.